Who can resist a luscious, melt in your mouth cloud of custard cream and flaky layers of golden puff pastry? I can't. Let's do this. Be seduced by the Napoleoncake, a heavenly cloud of custard cream. The origin of the Napoleoncake is in France. It evolved from the millefeuille, meaning 1,000 leaves of layered puff pastry and cream. The identity of the Napoleoncake, however, is deeply tied to Russia. Commemorating their 1812 victory over Napoleon Bonaparte, the difference between the French and the Russian version is mainly in the layers. The Russian version usually has as many as 15 very thin layers. Today, I'm making this recipe with shop-bought puff pastry. If you would like to make your own pastry instead, I'm linking the recipe in the description below, so you can still try that if you want to. Both versions are very nice, so let's get going. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Decide on your shape. I'm going for round. Bake this baby for around 20 minutes. Separate. We create more layers this way. Now we're making our custard cream with 1 liter of milk, 5 eggs, 40 grams of cornstarch, 40 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar with a sachet of vanilla sugar, 200 grams of butter, and then a generous amount of vanilla pod. Pour the sugar into your eggs and mix. Add flour and cornstarch. And mix vigorously to remove any lumps. Stir everything again. Stir in your mixture. Bring to boil, and you have to continuously stir at this point until it sets. My custard is now setting. I just stir a little bit more, but you see the consistency of this. Final step to do, cover with cling film and just let it cool off. And then we continue making the cake and spreading it onto all the layers. And the secret is to put not the cover on the bowl, but on the actual cream. Like that you avoid this little skin forming. And like this, you just put it cool for the next hours, and then we continue. And crush the layers of leftover puff pastry off your edges. And prepare your layers. And this we will use later on to cover it on the sides and on the top. Now it's assembly time. Look at the custard, how beautiful it is. It tastes so great. Et voila, this is the end result. It looks absolutely stunning, I would say. Look at this. Isn't this just stunning? It is a cloud of custard. I will try it now. Incredible. Absolutely incredible.